Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Located in the peaceful Boscobel Heights community, 20 minutes east of Ocho and a stone throw away from Ian Fleming's International Airport, James Bond Beach, and Aracabessa. This home with spectacular views of the Caribbean is brimming with opportunity for the enterprising investor or someone looking for a large family home. Ideal for a bed and breakfast and with room for customization. Summerwind is ready to move in while you add your finishing touches. The upper floor has a wraparound veranda with views of the sea and hills. A huge great room, perfect for entertaining, and 3 large bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. On the middle floor is a L-shaped veranda overlooking the sea and 2 additional bedrooms with 1.5 bathrooms. The ground floor has a garage, storage areas, and rooms that can be upgraded. The back garden boasts a variety of mature fruit trees, Polygon water purification system, and security cameras. Summerwind is ready to be transformed into your dream home. The lot size of this home is 10,778 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $375,000 or Jamaican $57.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.